Now, you execute your trade by confirming. You confirm that your criteria have been met. You make sure your criteria are met. All these things we are talking about, you make sure they play out well. Then after that, if it actually play out the way you want. Hello my blessed people. Today we're going to talk about trading mindset psychology. And trading mindset psychology is a winning mindset. So a winning trader must have a trading plan. And we are going to focus on trading plan as a whole. If you want to get a trading mindset psychology installed in your brain, let me show you. This must be known by you. You must know this, what they call power. You must know this, power. So power is under a trading plan. Power is under the trading plan. So once you are talking about power, now this E in the power will surprise you because you are doing it wrong every day you take your trade. Most of us get it very, very wrong. I'm going to educate you on how you could have a trading mindset psychology. And now when you talk about power, you talk about E, equal to plan. Now when you're talking about planning, you're talking about preparing your watch list. We're talking about preparing your watch list. Which trade do you want to take? Which pair do you want to, trade? Are you trading the GDP USD? Are you trading the Euro? Are you trading the Bitcoin? You should have a watch list you are trading on. But ideally, your watch list should not be more than 5. I heard some traders they trade almost all the pair. It's okay to confuse your brain. Just make it simple for yourself. The same people who trade all the pair and people who trade few pairs, maybe like me, I trade only one pair, which is the US 30. So we make almost the same profit. If you keep not taking, I'm profitable more than those people who trade, more than my mates who trade almost all the pair, because I understand the movement of the US 30. So you should find your watch list. If you have a watch list, it should not be more than 5 or so. That's, to me, we want to have a good trading plan for you to have a winning trade back to back. Apart from preparing your watch list, you should be able to identify your entry criteria. You should be able to identify your entry criteria. Are you entering with the FVG? Is it the smart money concept? What is your entry criteria? Is it the what they call this other one, ICT concept? Is it the trend line? What are your criteria to enter? Is your entry meeting the criteria? Make sure it meets the criteria. Make sure you know your criteria first before even meeting it. Make sure you know your criteria. It should be in your plan. That should be in the trading. Next under planning is to set your targets. Set your target. Set your TP and your SL, your stop loss and your take profit. In all your trade, you should be able to set and make sure is it 1:2 or 1:3 or 1:4. It should be around this range, or 1:5. Now it should not be 1:1 if you are building your trading plan. Never trade 1:1. I see some trader even trade 1 ratio. It's not even 1 ratio. It's not even up to 1:1. It's very bad. When you combine all your trade at the end of the week or at the end of the month, you might be a loser. So you should be trading 1:2 above. Most of my trade I take it 1:2, 1:3 daily. So you should also have a target. What are you willing to lose? What are you willing to get as your take profit? So that is all for for planning, when you're talking about planning. And number 2 in our list, that's the O. That's the O. Talking about P, that's the O now. The O equals to obey your plans. Obey your trading plan. You see, you will put down all these plans together. You should be able to obey them. You should be able to obey them to become profitable in this industry. You must obey yourself to overcome greed, fear, and over proud of your strategy. You should be able to obey yourself. So the W under the power here is talking about W equals to weight. Weight. Now you must, in every successful trader's life, they always wait for their setup to play out. You can wait by setting up an alert. You can wait by setting alerts. You can wait by setting alerts. How can you set alert? You set alert with your trading view. if this price gets to this, if this market gets to this so price, please send me a notification. You can do that in your trading view. If you don't know how to do that, please subscribe. I'll be teaching you all this in less than no time. Most of my viewers are new and they are not subscribing to my channel according to YouTube. Please, if you know I'm passing any message to you, do it to subscribe so we could be able to grow together. So another important way in which you can wait for your setup to play out is to set alerts. You might be sleeping, trading view will send you alert very fast that hey, the market is at this so price. Are you taking trade, or you will just overlook it? So that's how you can wait for for your setup to play out. Number 2 is to monitor your data. Monitor your data. Monitor your data. What I mean by monitoring your data is the trade going as planned? During the process while you are waiting, is it going as planned? If it's not going as planned, you can as well change your plan. So all this should be in your trading plan. That's what you need to know. Still on that weight, you should avoid impulsive trade. You should avoid impulsive trade, trading against the trend. Let's take for example, it's an uptrend, so you will now be selling. Never sell in an uptrend. I discussed this in our previous video. Go and check it there, how to understand your market structure. You should not trade in an impulsive way. It will end up like spoiling your trading plan as a whole. So always trade according to the market trend. Like for example, if you want to trade here, you should be able to understand that here is a good place to buy, here is a good place to buy, here is a good place to buy. You should be able to understand that here is a good place to buy, instead of you to sell here. Instead of you to sell, you buy. You see that when you buy here, you can even hold your market for long. But if you sell, you can just sell for a very short time. So always trade according to the market trend. That is all about the weight. Then when you're talking about the E, you are talking about execution. How do you execute your trade? Now, you execute your trade by confirming. You confirm that your criteria have been met. You make sure your criteria are met. All these things we are talking about, you make sure they play out well. Then after that, if it actually play out the way you want, then you execute your trade. You enter the market with a good risk to reward ratio. If you enter the market, you make sure you still monitor the market. Monitoring the market by managing your position is another big topic as a whole. If you are trading, you should have a trading plan where you can manage your position. In a day, you might not be able to take more than 3 trades. In a day, you might not be able to take more than 4 trades or so. You should be able to manage your position, not that when you are winning, you will be entering more, or when you are losing, you will be closing more position, or when you are losing, you will still be entering. Hopefully, it will go to your direction. Alright guys, that is that for execution. When you're talking about execution, that's it. Alright guys, the next on our list is review. You review your trade. You review your trade by analyzing your results at the end of the trade. What's up with your trade? Was your trade able to produce profit after following your plan? So you need to review your trade. Every trade you take, at the end of the week, make sure you place a review on it and see what is it, or compare your trade, compare your plan. The trade and your plan, are they going in the same way? If at all your trade and your plan are not going in the same way, then you need to look at where you disobey your plan, where you did not follow your plan. Then you make sure by next time you are trading, you did not repeat that same mistake. Under review, the next on our list is to check your improvement. Check after following your trading plan, were you able to improve? Is the trading plan profitable to you? And is the trading plan help you to control your fear or all of that? So if at all the trading plan help you to improve, then you make sure you stick to it every day. All the trading plan we discuss, you repeat it over and over again. And that way you will be profitable. I think that's what makes the difference between a profitable trader and a trader who always ascertain losses after the whole accounting of the trade. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe to our channel and stay blessed.